If you think all pickup trucks are built the same, you're setting yourself up for a brutally expensive mistake. A mistake that will haunt you for months of poor ownership. Ignore this video, and you could end up pouring thousands into repairs while someone else quietly drives a truck that refuses to die. Right now, there are pickup trucks on the market with engines so reliable, they borderline embarrass everything else on the road. And most people completely overlook them. Don't chase flashy badges or fall for marketing hype. You'll end up paying with frequent breakdowns, downtime, and regret that hits harder every year. Let's get into it. Number 10. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier has always lived in the shadows, and that's exactly why people underestimate it. Under the hood, especially in recent models, sits a naturally aspirated V6 that's simple, durable, and built to take abuse without complaining. No overcomplicated turbo systems, no fragile electronics. A high school teacher, Steve skipped the Frontier because it felt outdated and instead bought a more modern-looking rival. Within 3 years, he was dealing with sensor failures, transmission issues, and repair bills stacking up. Meanwhile, his friend who chose the Frontier barely visited a mechanic outside routine service. The difference? One chased trends, the other chose reliability. The V6 engine produces around 310 horsepower and 381 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and is known for its simple, no-nonsense design that avoids the complexity of turbochargers. Built with durability in mind, it uses a traditional port fuel injection system, which tends to be more reliable over long-term ownership. Most buyers ignore the Frontier because it doesn't scream for attention, but that silence hides one of the toughest engines in its class. Number 9. Chevrolet Colorado V6 Duramax Diesel. The Chevrolet Colorado, especially with the Duramax diesel, is one of those trucks that quietly builds a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Diesel engines, when built right, are known for longevity, and this one delivers exactly that. A small business owner, David passed on the diesel Colorado because it was slightly more expensive up front. He went with a cheaper gasoline truck instead. Fast forward 5 years, and his savings vanished in fuel costs and repeated repairs. His competitor, who chose the Colorado diesel, was still running strong with minimal issues and better fuel efficiency. The Chevrolet Colorado offers a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing about 308 horsepower, along with the highly respected 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel, delivering 181 horsepower and a massive 500 Newton-meters of torque. The diesel variant, in particular, is built for endurance, featuring a robust iron block and high-pressure common rail fuel injection. Its turbocharger is designed for sustained performance under load, making it ideal for towing and long-distance hauling. People hesitate because of the initial cost or because they don't fully understand diesel's advantages. That hesitation can cost them years of reliability and thousands in long-term ownership. If you think these first two are impressive, the next ones will make you question everything you thought you knew about reliable trucks. Number 8. GMC Canyon. The GMC Canyon shares DNA with the Colorado, but it often gets overlooked because people assume it's just a more expensive twin. What they miss is that it carries the same proven powertrains, including the durable diesel option, wrapped in a slightly more refined package. Paul dismissed the Canyon as not worth the premium and opted for a flashy, full-size truck loaded with features. Within a few years, those features started failing: electronics, sensors, even drivetrain components. Meanwhile, another buyer who chose the Canyon for its proven engine setup kept driving without drama. The GMC Canyon shares its powertrain with the Colorado, including the 3.6-liter V6 and the 2.8-liter Duramax diesel. The V6 produces strong output while maintaining smooth operation thanks to advanced valve timing and direct injection. The diesel engine stands out with its torque-heavy performance and reinforced construction. The canyon doesn't beg for attention, and that's exactly why it gets ignored. But underneath that quiet exterior is a machine built to last far longer than most people expect. Number 7. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger made a strong comeback, and one of its biggest strengths is its turbocharged EcoBoost engine. Now, turbo engines sometimes get a bad reputation, but Ford has refined this one to deliver a solid balance of power and long-term durability when maintained properly. A fleet manager, Michael overlooked the Ranger. Assuming smaller trucks couldn't handle heavy-duty use, he went all in on bigger, more expensive pickups. Over time, maintenance costs piled up across the fleet. The Ford Ranger is equipped with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4 engine, generating around 270 horsepower and 420 newton-meters of torque. This engine uses direct injection and a twin-scroll turbocharger to deliver strong low-end torque and efficient power delivery. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that helps optimize performance and fuel economy. People ignore the Ranger because they think bigger equals better. That assumption can quietly drain their wallets over time. Number 6. Honda Ridgeline. Now here's where most people get it completely wrong. The Honda Ridgeline doesn't even look like a traditional pickup, and that alone is enough for many buyers to dismiss it instantly. Big mistake. Underneath, it carries Honda's legendary V6 reliability, an engine known for going hundreds of thousands of kilometers with minimal issues. It's not designed for extreme towing like heavy-duty trucks, but for everyday use, it's one of the most dependable options out there. A buyer once laughed at the Ridgeline and chose a real truck instead. Years later, that decision came back to haunt him with frequent repairs and downtime. Meanwhile, a Ridgeline owner he knew kept driving smoothly, dealing with nothing more than routine maintenance. The Honda Ridgeline 5.6 engine produces about 280 horsepower and 355 newton-meters of torque. It features Honda's iVTEC system, which enhances efficiency and performance by adjusting valve timing. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it is known for its refined and reliable operation. The engine uses a lightweight aluminum block combined with durable internal components for long-lasting performance. The Ridgeline gets ignored because it challenges people's idea of what a pickup should be. But reliability doesn't care about appearances. It cares about engineering. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. If there's one truck that has built a near-mythical reputation for reliability, it's the Toyota Tacoma. The naturally aspirated V6 engines in the Tacoma are known for their durability, often crossing insane mileage figures without major failures. A marketing consultant from Ohio, Cooper ignored the Tacoma because the interior felt too basic for the price. He chose a more premium truck loaded with tech. Within a few years, those features started turning into problems: screen failures, electrical glitches, and expensive repairs. Meanwhile, a Tacoma owner he knew kept driving past 200,000 kilometers without breaking a sweat. The V6 engine delivers around 278 horsepower and 359 newton-meters of torque. It features Toyota's D4S fuel injection system, which combines direct and port injection for improved efficiency and durability. The engine is built with a strong reputation for reliability, using proven materials and conservative tuning to ensure longevity. Paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, it provides consistent performance under various conditions. People skip the Tacoma because it doesn't try to impress you inside the cabin. But the real value isn't in the touchscreen. It's in the engine that refuses to quit. Number 4. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is everywhere, but not all engines are created equal. The 5.0-liter V8, also known as the Coyote, is the one that stands out for long-term reliability. It's a naturally aspirated engine that avoids the complexity of turbochargers, making it a solid choice for people who want durability without unnecessary risks. An interior designer in his 40s once went for a turbocharged variant, chasing better fuel economy and performance. A few years in, he was dealing with turbo-related issues and costly repairs. His colleague, who chose the 5.0 V8, kept working day after day with minimal downtime. Many buyers get distracted by newer, more complex engine options and overlook this proven V8. That decision can cost them not just money, but time. And for working professionals, time is everything. If you think these trucks are solid, the top 3 are in a completely different league. Number 3. Ram 2500 Cummins Diesel. The Ram 2500 equipped with the Cummins diesel engine is a legend in the world of heavy-duty trucks. These engines are built for extreme workloads and are known to last for hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions, of kilometers with proper maintenance. A house contractor in New York avoided the Cummins because of the higher upfront cost. Instead, he went with a cheaper alternative. Over time, frequent repairs, lower durability, and downtime started eating into his profits. Another operator who invested in the Cummins-powered Ram kept his truck running year after year, handling heavy loads without breaking down. Ram 2500 engine produces around 370 to 400 horsepower and up to 1,075 Newton-meters of torque, depending on the configuration. This inline-six engine is built with a cast-iron block and head, making it extremely robust for heavy-duty applications. It uses a high-pressure fuel system and a durable turbocharger designed for sustained performance under load. People hesitate because of the initial investment, but what they don't realize is that this engine is designed to outlast most of its competition by a huge margin. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax Diesel. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with the Duramax diesel engine is another powerhouse built for longevity. This engine has earned a reputation for being both strong and reliable, especially under demanding conditions. A fleet owner once skipped the Duramax because he thought maintenance would be complicated. He chose a different heavy-duty truck instead. Over time, repeated issues and shorter engine life proved far more expensive than he anticipated. Meanwhile, Duramax trucks in competing fleets kept running reliably with fewer major problems. The 6.6-liter Duramax 5.8 turbo diesel generates about 445 horsepower and an impressive 1,234 Newton-meters of torque. This engine features an advanced common rail fuel system and a variable geometry turbocharger for optimal performance. Built with a cast-iron block and aluminum heads, it balances strength and efficiency. The Silverado HD often gets overshadowed by other heavy-duty names, but those who understand engines know exactly how capable and durable this one is. And now comes the final entry, the one that sets the benchmark for reliability so high, most trucks don't even come close. Number 1. Toyota Tundra. At the top of this list sits the Toyota Tundra, a truck that has consistently proven itself as one of the most reliable pickups ever built. Especially with its older V8 engines, the Tundra is known for surviving extreme conditions, high mileage, and years of abuse without major engine failure. There was an off-road enthusiast who chose a more modern truck with advanced features and a newer engine design. Within a few years, he started facing reliability concerns that limited his trips. Another enthusiast, driving a Tundra, kept pushing through harsh terrains without worrying about breakdowns. The Toyota Tundra engine is known for its overbuilt design, featuring a strong iron block and durable internal components. It uses dual independent variable valve timing to optimize performance and efficiency. Designed to handle harsh conditions, it has a reputation for running reliably for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. People sometimes overlook the Tundra because it doesn't always lead in fuel economy or cutting-edge features, but when it comes to pure, long-term reliability, it stands in a league of its own. Most people don't lose money because they buy bad trucks. They lose money because they ignore the right ones. They get distracted by looks, features, and marketing noise, and end up paying for it later in repairs, downtime, and frustration. If you don't want to be one of those people, Pay attention to what actually matters under the hood. Do like and subscribe if you find the video useful.